Are you looking to supercharge your video editing process with the power of AI? Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 best AI video editors that can transform your editing experience. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing video editing, making it faster, easier, and more creative than ever before. Let's explore the best tools available today. Starting our list at number 10 is Magisto. This AI-powered editor is perfect for beginners. Magisto's AI automatically edits your videos by analyzing footage, adding effects, and syncing music. Magisto is user-friendly and ideal for quick edits, but it may lack advanced customization options for more seasoned editors. At number 9, we have InVideo. This tool offers AI-assisted script generation and a vast library of templates for creating professional videos effortlessly. InVideo stands out with its text-to-video feature and a robust media library, making it a great choice for marketers and content creators. Next on our list at number 8 is runwayml, aimed at more creative users. runwayml offers AI-driven tools like background removal, inpainting, and style transfer. runwayml is ideal for those looking to experiment with advanced AI features in their creative projects. At number 7, we have Lumen 5. This AI video editor converts blog posts into engaging videos in minutes, using AI to match visuals with text. Lumen 5 is great for content marketers looking to repurpose their written content into video format seamlessly. Coming in at number 6, Pictory. This AI tool helps you create high-quality videos from scripts, articles, and even URLs. With automatic scene selection and voiceovers, Pictory is perfect for creating videos in multiple formats and languages. Number 5 on our list is Descript. Descript lets you edit videos as if you were editing text. It even offers AI tools for overdubbing and removing filler words. Descript is perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone looking to streamline the editing process. At number 4, Adobe Premiere Pro, powered by Adobe Sensei. This industry-standard software uses AI to automate color correction, scene editing, and even music selection. Adobe Premiere Pro is the choice for professional editors looking for unparalleled precision and control. Number 3 is Filmora AI. Known for its easy-to-use interface, Filmora offers powerful AI tools like motion tracking, AI portrait, and automatic beat sync. Filmora AI is great for beginners and intermediate editors who want access to powerful tools without the complexity. Coming in at number 2 is Capwing. This web-based editor offers AI-driven tools for subtitling, resizing, and even collaborative editing. Capwing is perfect for teams and creators who need a versatile, easy-to-use editor that works right from your browser. And at number 1, we have veedio. This AI-powered editor is packed with features like automatic subtitles, background noise removal, and video translation. veedio is perfect for creators of all levels, offering a comprehensive set of tools to create stunning videos effortlessly. Which AI video editor are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.